Now, NBC 26 meteorologist Brittany Merlot.
You guys, what's going on out there? We've got a polar vortex, Arctic cold blast, whatever word you want to use. Usually always happens, and now it's made its way all the way down into Lexington. -5 right now. That's not far away from our temperatures at 7 below zero here into Green Bay, not to mention wind chill warnings and advisories all the way down south into Florida. Why aren't we in one? Well, because we're cold weather strong. We're used to this kind of stuff. But honestly, it is dangerous out there. Temperatures are feeling like 32 below into Green Bay when you put the winds on top of it. So here's our actual temperatures at 0 into Sturgeon Bay, 9 below throughout the Fox Valley, -13 into Watoma. Winds moving out of the northwest, now gusting up to 44 miles per hour in Fond du Lac and Sheboygan. Even throughout the entire Fox Valley, it is very windy out there, so it feels like 41 below zero into Watoma. It feels like -38 into Fond du Lac and Appleton as well. So you can get frostbite out there within just 15 to 20 minutes in those conditions on exposed skin. So bundle up, layer up as you head outside and limit your time outdoors. So the good thing about today is it going to be naughty or is it going to be nice? We're on the back end of the system. The snow is winding down, but it's going to be a slippery commute out there with those wind chills and blowing and drifting snow, recovering it. So I think it's going to be a naughty Friday, unfortunately, with those wind chills staying at double digits below zero all day long for our high temperatures as well as through tomorrow morning. So keep that in mind. Avoid cotton if you are going to be outside working or commuting. It's not the best layer to have out there. If you start to sweat at all, the cotton absorbs it and then you push back possibilities of hypothermia. So here we are right now, winter storm warning still in effect. All of that white around us is blizzard warnings. Why are there blizzard warnings? Well, because it's basically the same strength of the system as a Category 2 hurricane, but it's on land. So that's why we're seeing these winds whipping even the snow that already fell around, creating dangerous conditions, not to mention heavy lake effect snow along the south shore and of course the east side of Lake Michigan as well throughout the entire day today. So that's why we have chances for some snow into Door County, Green Bay and the lake shore. Throughout our afternoon and evening, we're seeing about 1/2 inch to 1 inch total. Meanwhile, a foot accumulates into the snow belt on the other side of Lake Superior because of these strong cold winds. They're going to get worse this afternoon, stay strong overnight, gusting up to 50 miles per hour. We could see power outages with these cold temperatures, not to mention your blizzard-like conditions. What you need is just a 1/4 mile visibility for at least 3 hours and 35+ mile per hour winds to get you a blizzard. We're probably going to be near those, if not an actual ground blizzard conditions. Look at our visibility already dropping down to 2 miles right now, and those winds are not at peak just yet. Recovering those roads, so yes, it is slick and slippery out there. Avoid cruise control as you head out the door today, or avoid travel in general if you can until tomorrow afternoon, because it is going to be as if it's snowing, but it's not. It's just taking the snow from those fields and pushing it everywhere. So make sure you have an emergency kit in your car if you must leave, and dress warm too in case something does happen and you're stranded. Here's our highs, not going to feel like it, feeling like -17. Same story for our overnight hours as well. And then tomorrow, still feeling double digits below zero with those winds still whipping with a few flurries, still flying on occasion. Everything winds down for Christmas. Santa brings us some sunshine finally and a warm up. Who asked for that? Because Wisconsin, we do not want 40 degrees in January or December. What was it? End of December. Oh my goodness, what a new year we're going to have. A lot of slushy ice melting ongoing, but 40s. 4 to 40, wild.
Yeah, weather whiplash. We're going to be feeling that next week for sure.
We sure are.
All right, Brittany, thanks. Early